Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to insert text in an existing column in your dataset without adding a new column. When I say add a new column, if you were to go to the add column tab and let's say in the duration column, we don't only want to see the numbers, but we also want to see the suffix of months. So let's say 2 months, 6 months, 3 months. So in add column tab, you have this option of either column from examples or conditional column where you can, in this case, provide an example and Power BI will create this new column for you, which is an additional column. But rather than doing that, there is another alternative where we can transform the existing column in our dataset and reduce the number of steps that we see in the applied steps pane on the right side. So I'm going to show you an example how you can do it. First, you need to make sure that the column in question is of the data type text, which is the case in our example. I will go to the transform tab and just for the time being, I'm going to show you the extract option in which we will choose text before delimiter. So you see this window will open. I will just put a space like this and say okay. So this won't do anything, but this will provide you the framework of the code that we need in order to make the changes in the column duration. So now instead of using the text before delimiter, I'm going to use a function called text insert. So I'll remove the before delimiter part and type in insert. Now text insert will take in 3 arguments. The first one is the cell element or the value itself, which is denoted by the underscore. The second argument that we need to put in is the position of where you want to insert this text. So I will put in 1 because as you can see, the first character in this text will be the number that we be using, which is 263. So we will skip that position and then add the text that we want to add, which is months, like this. Now if we were to say okay, you'll see we did not add any new column. We only transformed the existing column using the text insert function. And not only this, we can use this option several times over for different columns in our dataset. So let's say for the second column, which is for year, let's add 2025 at the end after current. So how you can do that is I'll put in a comma over here. See, I just copied this nested function and pasted it again, and I'll just make these changes where I'll change the column name from duration to for year, and instead of 1 I'm going to put in 7 because current has 7 characters. Instead of months I will type in 2025 and say okay. So now you can see in just one applied step I was able to change 2 different columns by using the text insert function. And I just want to show you one more thing. Over here we were putting in the position of the character 1 and 7. Let's say if we don't know what position we want the new text to be inserted. So since this is a suffix for both these columns, what we can do is instead of typing 1, we'll use the function called text.length. And what it will do is it will take in just one argument over here, which we want to type in underscore again. So no matter what the value is, let it be 2, 10, 12, 100, 1000. So since these are different characters, text.length will take into consideration all these positions when it's going to insert the months text in the end. I'll do something similar for the second nested option as well, where I'll replace 7 by text.length and say okay. So you see this is still fine, there are no errors, and this is how you can insert text without adding an additional column in your dataset. So this is a neat Power Query feature that you can integrate when you're transforming your data. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. I will see you in the next video.